And as we reported earlier, several schools in Spanish Town have been impacted by the violence. Kalisha Williams has that report.
School is in session, but classrooms are empty. The aftermath of the mayhem in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, after 3 persons were shot and killed on Tuesday.
The challenge really is the fact that most of our students live within Spanish Town and live within some of the communities affected by the high level of violence since yesterday.
From primary, preparatory, infant and high schools, hundreds of students did not turn up for school. Some schools, like the Homestead Primary and Infant School, were not taking any chances. Classes were moved online and students urged to stay home. At the Spanish Town Primary School, though, over 500 students were absent from school.
On the morning shift, I think we had 351, and on the afternoon shift, Miss said she had 260 something.
Over 500 that then. Wow, so absent.
It's a lot. The absenteeism is a lot.
And with majority of students absent, many of the planned exams and special programs were cancelled.
Our idea is a reading test. That's an ongoing reading test towards the end of the school year where we test the children to see where their reading level is. Most of them are out. Today we have 2 ladies from the Ministry of Education doing assessment for special needs students, and most of those students have not come out either. So we are impacted there as well.
You mentioned those programs. You had any other exams scheduled for today that had to be cancelled or anything like that?
Just for the grade 6, just the end of term for grade 6.
So usually this playground at the Seymour Ormond Institution would be buzzing with activities, but as you can see, I'm the only one here. I spoke with the principal and she told me that the turnout today is about 60% and she will be calling parents to come and pick up their children early. At the Spanish Town High School, a similar story. In fact, Principal Bentley Brown told our news team that classes will have to be dismissed 3 hours early.
Since yesterday's incident, quite a lot of parents had to come in before the closure of school at 5:15 to collect their children. Our guardians had to come for their respective students under their care. Since this morning, we operate a shift school, so for the upper school, this morning we had about 63 students out, which is less than maybe 2 classes. Teachers came, some didn't show up.
At the Calvary Holiness Early Childhood Institution off St. John's Road, the contrast. Only 1 child from a volatile community did not turn up Wednesday morning.
I really encourage them that our school is in a safe area and it is okay. But if they find that they are having challenge from their side, I would not say push your child out, because you have to think about the safety of the child.
No, there are appeals for a ceasefire as educators worry about what will happen not only for the remainder of the week, but the school term. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.